Hello and welcome to the Wizard vlog. I brought you two girls here to unbox some Barbie. But not this Barbie. This is a special Barbie. Ooh. Ooh, it's not in the vlog yet, but I got this from Natasha. Ooh, it's the Epcot Fun Barbie. Look at that, Disney.
The Epcot Fun Barbie?
It's Epcot, look.
I was actually really creepy.
It was creepy, yeah, because I wanted to buy this. So I was with Chip, I was like, oh, it's gone.
You also saw it with Marjolein.
Yeah.
And then I said, where did you saw it? I'm going to buy it.
Yeah, but I didn't know that.
No.
So, yeah, first I said to Mario, then I was like, with Chip, I was like, oh, I want to show you my childhood Barbie. I was like, oh, it's gone, never mind.
Aww.
Then I came back to you guys and Tasha's like, look, I bought something for you. I was like, no! And she was like, oh my god! Because, did he know?
He didn't know.
No, well, he was like, what the fuck, we just came from the Barbie
He just got the biggest laugh. Because you just went and...
Yeah. Yeah, there's a pretty cool Barbie vintage dolls booth at Dutch Comic Con, so that's really cool. We should go to the store once. We should write them a letter and like, hey, can we
It's in
fill your
Dordrecht.
store? Yeah. Hey! That's very close.
And then we can visit Chris.
We can.
Yeah, but Chris, we take Chris to the Barbie museum, I want to say. Reminds me of a movie. The Barbie Museum.
Barbie Museum. That sounds like fun.
Yeah. So, I didn't say what we're going to unbox. I said we're gonna go unbox a Barbie, but I meant Funko.
Ooh!
So we're gonna start with
President
Barbie. This is the Barbie that swears in the movie at the end.
Yeah.
I can't remember what she said. I was like, oh, they did it. That's so cool. There's
love
one
that.
swear word and she did it.
So I missed that, I think.
Huh?
I think I missed it completely.
Did she say that to the Will Ferrell character?
No, to Ken. When
Oh, to Ken, like
they were like done fighting and they come back to their houses and then Bart take over all the house again.
I remember
And
her.
then she comes back and tells the swear word.
Yeah, like when she came out of, down the stairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't remember what she said. Was like, oh, they
Well,
did it.
they need to de-cleanse the houses.
Yeah, that's true.
Because they can.
I'm just gonna put this box right there. So here we have her. You wanna watch too? Yes.
Yeah.
Watch the video. Okay, so she has an amazing dress with golden details. But I think she has a president's sash as well.
I almost say she's competing in a beauty pageant.
Maybe she is.
Maybe
I'm gonna
she
turn
is.
her. This is her backside. Nothing really particular about her
I love her
backside.
little foot.
Yeah, she has one foot out. She's like, yeah, I'm president. Gonna move her a little bit faster because, well, her hair looks great, but it's only hair. This is her, yeah, the foot is over there.
I have something to complain about it.
What?
If you see it, you don't say, it doesn't scream Barbie.
True. That's true. It only says president in the
Yes.
Barbie font and that's it. Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
If I see her like that, I wouldn't say she's a character from the Barbie movie.
No, if she was out of the box, I wouldn't be able to tell.
That's true.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh, oops.
Okay, I'm gonna put her right here.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Smart.
So, who do you have? Hey Barbie!
Hey, Barbie!
So, who is this?
This is Gold Disco Barbie. You know?
From
At
the
the
beginning.
beginning. Where
Yeah.
everybody's dancing and Ken kind of wants to join in.
And the thing we can't let you hear because it's copyrighted.
Yeah. With a nice song that's stuck in everybody's heads for a while.
It's stuck in my head now.
Yeah, okay. Enough. No, oh, it's so glittery. Ooh. Okay, let's...
I don't think that copyrights will pick up our sounds.
They will.
No, I don't think so.
Da 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 da.
Marjolein, is it cool? You're like this.
Yeah. Careful, don't break the packaging.
I remember when back in the 90s, or maybe earlier, they had this doll. I remember that headpiece.
I don't remember the headpiece. I only had like 1 or 2 Barbies or something, so...
I didn't say I had it. I said I remember it.
Yeah, no. Come on, I don't even remember what I ate last week, man. This is... Look, I don't... The headpiece reminds me of a Little Mermaid, actually. I don't know, for some reason. But, oh, sorry, I need to keep it there.
You can turn it while you're
And
talking.
then, yeah, Look at all the glitter. Honestly, this pretty she looks like a disco queen, which is exactly what they wanted, so that's pretty good. But again, I wouldn't necessarily see it Barbie either. I don't know. What do you think?
But I think it's more iconic Barbie.
Yeah, true. I think it's cool that she comes with a little stand, because I can imagine that the hair is pretty heavy to just have her stand there. So she comes with a little stand and a lot of glitter.
That's true.
Because this is one of the signature outfits from Barbie, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah, that's why I said I remember it, yeah.
Yes, but I think that one is just, it could be everything.
True.
It could be a beauty pageant.
Just gonna put her right
Yeah,
here.
just put her over there.
Yeah, and then we're gonna rearrange them after we have them all.
Yes.
So,
Smart.
there we go.
Yeah.
What do you have?
I do. I got Ken.
You got Ken!
Oh.
Ooh.
Okay, it is a Western Ken.
Western cowboy
Plus he
Ken.
has the books. The
I'm
horses.
like, will there be more Kens? Because this is the Western Ken.
Hopefully.
They should put roller skate Ken out there too.
I found one of my triggers in the movie. Every time when they have this fight, I'm gonna beat you off. There's this Ken with his 2 ice creams. You're gonna just film that, or because I'm also. So I found my trigger in the movie is when they're saying like, I'm gonna beat you off. There's this one Ken with 2 ice creams, and Ken is like, hold my ice cream. And every time when his fingers touch the ice cream, you like pop. Like, every time like. I don't know why. It's so funny.
I love that.
Yeah, but anyways. Yeah, you can see his ruffles. Ruffles blood. Yes. Well, I'm going to turn to that. It's not.
He doesn't have a stand?
No. No.
Oh, no. Oh.
No, not really. No.
Honestly, this is my least favorite outfit from the Ken in the entire movie, I think. Sorry.
Oh, we talked
Yeah.
about it when she trolled Ken.
Yeah.
Yeah? You don't like this outfit of him?
Ooh,
I know,
very nice. Like, ooh.
I love it because
I
it's
find
Mojo
it fun.
Dojo Casa.
Yeah. But yeah, I think they have to bring more out of Ken.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They got many Barbie Funkos, but not
Just-
not one Ken.
Two Barbies.
They got 2 Barbies. 1 President Barbie and then Ken.
Yeah, but I think, why is it
Yeah.
called Western Ken?
Because Barbie is called Western Barbie.
Yeah.
What,
And I think they like wearing Western clothing.
that's true. But Shanna, what was your favorite outfit then?
I like the rollerblade version, but also the one where he has his bandanas and a fur coat.
You know, I think the rollerblade will be an exclusive,
Ooh.
like a scene. I think that will be a scene.
That would be cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what
for
it is.
sure.
But yeah, I think we need a Mojo Dojo Casa Funko with Ken in front of it.
Well,
Exactly.
maybe that's the.
Well, that's
thing that
the
they're
outfit
still-
I like.
Yeah, well, maybe that's still the thing that they're still making.
Yeah,
like the
could
casa
be.
house with.
And then they
other-
can have the fur coat.
Mattel,
Yeah.
if you're
in front of
watching.
it.
They also need to bring the I'm Knuffed sweater Funko again.
That would be funny as well.
Yes.
I think that will be a Target exclusive or
Something like that.
Yeah. San Diego Comic Con exclusive.
Yeah,
Everybody will
something.
be in this outfit, like with this hat and then the sweater. Like a whole Comic Con will be like that.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Because it's already, that will be the next one. Where did I put her? Oh, she's over here. I've seen so many people in this outfit.
So many.
It makes me mad now when I see it. But yeah, you still have room, so you can unbox her if you want.
It's like the new Hellfire Club shirt.
Yeah, you see it
Or
everywhere.
like the new Harley Quinn.
Yeah, you see it everywhere.
Yeah, you can count it now, like how many Barbies you're gonna see in this.
Every time we see a Barbie, take a shot.
Yeah, I would just count them, I don't need shots.
No.
She has a stand as well.
Yeah, it's kind of understandable.
Oh, it's
Hey,
attached to her.
she has a little stand.
It means that the guys have bigger feet.
Or maybe
Yeah, and
because
she's in heels.
or maybe because of the hair.
Maybe
She's out of balance.
Strange.
Oh, she also has a little. I didn't see that. The
What?
the stand in the back. I only thought it was a disc.
Oh, like this.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, maybe to hold her
But
hair.
people always lose that, so maybe this is a newer Funko, so maybe the new Funkos
Yeah.
have this. Except for the president. Barbie.
And lots of people don't even know there's
Yeah.
a stand in the box.
That's true. If you look at our unboxings, you will... I don't think we can count them, because it's not that often, but most... I'm like, oh shit, I forgot to stand.
Yeah, exactly.
So, yeah.
For some reason, I want the little dots to be diamonds.
Ooh, that'd
Are
be
there
pretty.
diamonds in the movie?
I don't know.
I don't
Probably
know.
not.
I
I
can't
don't know
remember.
either.
But I like shiny things, so
You
I'm
like
all for it.
changes
Yeah.
That's true. Shall we put these a little bit closer? This
Yes.
one.
No,
in the
I like
middle?
them together. They're cute
Yeah.
together.
Oh, you could. So, and then we put the Funkos there, and we're gonna talk about them. Okay, is it a good lineup or
No, this one needs to.
Okay.
There we go.
Yeah.
There.
So if I would think about like, I was thinking about the Western ones. Would it be funny if they have a special Funko with 2 in a box, or maybe just a scene that they're reenacting the the scene in the police office that they had to. Yes, it's so funny. I don't know why I thought about it, but like maybe that's just my adult brain. Because kids will be like, yeah, the ice cream and this and that. And I was like, no, I need the. I don't even know what's her
Fingerprints.
And I think we
Yeah.
need a John Cena as mermaid Funko.
that would be awesome.
That would be great.
Yeah. It's like, hey, Barbie. And then people will let his will go to the Comic-Con and let them sign his Barbie Funko.
Yeah.
But
I think you will
Already
enjoy
laughing.
it.
I think
You
so,
will
yeah.
love it.
Yeah, I was just already laughing, think about it, like grown-up men.
Well, you
like,
want to play
hey,
in the movie.
you're this wrestling god. Do you want to?
I heard that he asked himself if he could be
Yeah.
a part of it.
You ask like, what kind of role can I get in Barbie?
So he was outdoor as Funko.
Yeah.
So if you want to be, you can be Barbie. Mermaid Barbie.
Honestly, it feels like such an honor to be in a Barbie movie, right? I mean,
Depends. If you're like the joke or,
Yeah, fair.
you know.
fair.
Who did play Mitch though? Pregnant Mitch?
I don't know.
I think it's I don't know. Should look it up. But that would be also be a funny Funko.
Ooh, yes.
Or are they allowed to sell it though? Because it's a bitch controversy. A big bitch. Big controversy. I have that doll, by the way.
What about a weird Barbie Funko?
I think that would be a Funko.
Yeah.
If they would, because sometimes they have this lineup and I'm like, oh, I'm expecting this and that, and nothing come.
Yeah.
Nothing came. I mean, like,
I think it will depend on how good they sell.
hopefully more.
Buy.
Buy more.
Buy
So
more.
we can have more alterations of their outfits. And
Exactly.
scenes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Exclusives, maybe.
And I still don't know why they included President Barbie.
Because they have to be inclusive.
Yeah, but they could do Weird Barbie, Midge, or whatever her name is. They could do many Kens because you
Yeah.
got one Ken that's like really insecure.
True.
I don't want to trigger you, but the one that's like looking, and then does with the flat feet.
Yeah.
He's like I was thinking about Baywatch. What he is. What was his role? He's on the beach as well. He's looking at nobody drowns, and then they're contemplating about the feet, and he is also like doing the same.
Shang-Li?
Yeah.
The
No.
actor? Oh.
No,
He's like Barbie.
you know me who I mean, right?
Yeah.
The darker Ken.
Yeah, like
he's
the
like-
best friend of the...
The
Yeah.
mean Ken.
The mean
Yeah, and he
I know
was-
the
they-
mooitloze kaas.
That's also the same that's watching The Godfather, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's funny. Yeah, now I'm thinking about the other one that she just mentioned. The Shang-Chi Ken. Yeah, I'm gonna beat you up.
but you see, like him, who also plays Shang-Chi?
Yeah.
He was like bursting out in laughter. Quite a few scenes. He just called his laughter, and I'm like, it must be so much fun to
Yeah.
I get.
film this movie.
I'm sorry, I just had a cat behind me. It's like, go ahead.
I think that we have so much fun filming that
Must
movie.
Yeah.
have been so fun to film it, yeah, for sure.
Especially the scene where they were singing and fighting.
And that is the one where you can see them
Fighting scene,
Yeah.
almost
There's
breaking
one,
character.
These weird boats. I forgot what it's called in English. You can pedal yourself with the boat. You know what I mean?
Water bike.
Motorbikes!
Motorbikes, and it's like shaped in horses. Why? Why not?
Because Ken.
Yeah.
I love
Oh,
that.
somebody must have like a big ass. Well, this hat is not working for me. Look.
But I just thinking, why horses?
Because they're
Patriotic,
yeah.
But also
Because
maybe
he used to
because
be-
Barbie always had horses,
maybe.
and now they were Ken.
I mean, at the start of civilization,
Yeah,
men.
saw-
the same bug.
Yeah,
Well, he saw men riding horses in the real world.
Yeah, no, but I mean like when I was little, there were so many horses. involved with
We
Barbie.
had 2 horses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Then my dad stepped on it and then my horse broke.
Oh.
Yeah.
My mom stepped on a shopping cart for Barbie.
No!
Yeah, that's also broken. You know how that goes. Snap.
Yeah. So let's go back to the
Anyway,
Funkos.
yes.
What is your favorite?
I can't decide.
It's cool Barbie. Can't
I know
decide
who's
Barbie.
not our favorite.
Hey, who's not your favorite?
Was it? No, I'm kidding. This one.
The President Barbie.
President Barbie is not my favorite. I think from all the ones I like Western Barbie most.
Yeah.
From these 4.
This was more for trailer wise. Because this outfit was like many times in the trailer.
Yeah.
But I do like the Western more. And of course
I like the Western more because they look really cute together.
Yeah. That is
Yeah.
true.
outfits I didn't think they had to pay for.
And I think it's the most iconic. It screams Barbie.
Yeah, exactly.
The most recognizable from the movie.
For sure.
I'm just wondering, why isn't there a Barbie with her checkerboard outfit?
Yeah, the one that the movie started with.
Yeah.
Classic Barbie Funko.
I'm just thinking about it, a stereotypical Barbie.
Oh, stereotypical
That's what she
Barbie.
is.
Yeah.
So I'm like, Questions.
So many questions.
Oh, Barbie in a car.
Ooh, that'd be fun.
It would be
Funko
like
rides.
end credits, like I was like, well, oh Barbie this, oh Barbie that.
That'd be cool.
Marjolein, what's your favorite?
The Western version.
Also Western. So these are like Yay!
It was like a
Insert
pair
applause.
of those two, Barbie and Ken.
Yeah.
You could also get out Ken with this Barbie.
I have a question though.
Okay.
Why are the cosplayers walking around with horse sticks?
Because they can.
Did they do that in the movie?
They can, yeah.
They can. They can.
No, you have seen the movie way more times than we did. So I'm like, do you
Oh, you're
remember?
calling her out.
No, it's not in that way. But I'm
I know.
like, do you remember them holding them?
Oh, if they have stock horses.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
horse sticks.
Oh, probably in the fighting scene, no?
Yeah, the fighting scene.
Ah, it's like,
And when they're going back to their houses and see the Barbie take over the houses again, they're like coming like with the horse stick. I like from.
That's true, but did they have the stick?
Yeah.
Ah, I need to see it again. Again and again and again and again. Because there's so many details in this movie.
Always,
oh,
yeah.
damn. So many.
Yeah. Every time you go to watch a movie, you see like new details in the movie. Like, oh.
That's why I like seeing movies multiple times. Makes sense to me.
True. So, are we gonna close the video?
Yeah, let's do it.
Natasha, wait, Natasha, what is your favorite?
No, I already said it.
Oh,
The
oh yes, it
Western
was like, oh, you already said it when we were unboxing them. That's true.
That makes sense.
So if you like the video, tell us which is your least favorite and your favorite. And we're not gonna tell you what to choose, but
Oh,
they
we
already
never
explained it. They
tell you.
already
Maybe your
like-
favorite will be the one in the middle.
could be, but that's not a Funko.
It's a Barbie.
That's a Barbie.
It's
Yes.
a Barbie.
So if you consider subscribing, please do so. If you haven't done it, yeah, why not? Why are you watching this?
Why have you still not subscribed to us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you did and have been following us for the 2 years already,
Mm-hmm.
thank you.
Thank you. That's awesome. You guys are awesome.
Yeah.
You guys rock.
We will see you next time.
Bye.